A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Rosa Mystica Barang. I am here today to report my topic, and my topic is all about the social stratification. Social stratification is essentially the phenomenon of segregating, grouping, and ranking people based on differences in class, race, economic status, and other categories. In earlier civilizations, we hear of nobilities and commoners, the lord and the peasant, and the many other social statuses and positions that embody hierarchy of power in a social system. These hierarchies where the group which possesses control over power and resources are given much privilege at the expenses of those who are deprived. So, for my own understanding, this highlights how social stratification, the ranking of people based based on factors like wealth and race, has existed throughout history, from ancient noble classes to modern disparities. So it argues that these hierarchies create inequalities where those with power and resources enjoy advantage at the expense of others. This is problematic because, in principle, humans with our intrinsic dignity and consequential rights to live and prosper should also have equitable access to resources, both material and non-material. Unfortunately, in the contemporary world, these hierarchies remain to exist, albeit, albeit in different. This is problematic because it contradicts the fundamental principles that all human deserves dignity and equal access to the means to live and thrive. Um, the report concludes that while forms of stratification have changed and fortunately persist in our world today. So my next topic is all about perspective in global stratification. There are various theories which attempt to explain the dynamics and impacts of stratification among people in the world, especially in the context of their power to tap on resources and maximize this towards development and toward having better quality of life. So, in my own understanding, it explored different perspective on global stratification, focusing on the limitation of modernization theory while this theory claims that all societies progress through similar stages of development driven by internal factors like strong institutions and market economies, the report points out eight shortcomings. That despite modernization theories, assumptions, many resource-rich countries still experience poverty. Additionally, the uneven distribution of technological advancement and resource access perpetuates economic disparities between nations, suggesting that external factors and global inequalities play a significant role in development. And that's all. Thank you.